Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You need to start now. Open Settings, tap your name, then Media and Purchases and View Account. Make sure subscriptions are paused or switched off because they block country changes. Have a local credit card, debit card, or App Store balance for the destination country ready so purchases can process. Once done, confirm your Apple ID has no active family sharing restrictions that could prevent switching. This gets you into the account settings, where the country change option appears. You select country/region and tap Change Country or Region. Choose the target country from the list. Read and accept the new terms. This updates tax and service availability, so make sure you understand changes. Now enter a billing address and postal code that match the new country and add a valid local payment method or redeem local App Store credit. If you hit validation errors, double-check address formatting and that the card supports international digital purchases. You confirm the changes, the account updates, and you may be asked to sign out and sign back in. Make a small test purchase or redeem a small gift card to verify the new payment method processes. Once complete, re-enable any subscriptions and check that apps you need are available in the new store. If the change is blocked, remove your Apple ID from other devices, clear outstanding balances, or contact Apple support. This usually resolves account or region lock issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.